from the misty bamboo forests to the shining factory floors. One of nature's simplest plants is quietly leading a revolution. Bamboo, a symbol of strength, flexibility, and renewal, is transforming into one of the world's most sustainable materials. Each year, millions of bamboo stalks are harvested and turned into everyday essentials, from toothbrushes and straws to spoons and even flooring, all without harming the planet. As the world searches for green alternatives to plastic, bamboo has become a cornerstone of eco-friendly innovation, combining ancient wisdom with modern technology. Today, we'll follow the fascinating journey of how bamboo is grown, harvested, and transformed into elegant, sustainable products. The toothbrush you use each morning, the straw in your drink, or the spoon that stirs your tea. Let's explore how a single plant bridges nature and technology, turning tradition into the future of green manufacturing. In the southern regions of Asia, particularly China and Southeast Asia, bamboo forests stretch endlessly across the hillsides. These forests are among the fastest-growing ecosystems on Earth. A single bamboo stalk can shoot up more than a meter in just one day, reaching its full height in a few months. When it's time to harvest, experienced workers select mature stalks about 3 to 5 years old, strong, flexible, and full of natural oils that protect them from pests. Chainsaws and specialized cutting tools make clean cuts above the nodes, allowing the roots to regenerate new shoots almost immediately. Once felled, the bamboo is trimmed, bundled, and moved to collection sites. Here, machines and workers operate in rhythm, nature, and technology working side by side. Each stalk will soon begin a new chapter, destined for transformation in the factory. Before bamboo can become a product, it undergoes a detailed transformation to ensure durability and quality. The stalks are first washed to remove dirt, resin, and bacteria, then soaked in clean water or natural solutions to stabilize their color and prevent cracking. Afterward, they're sun-dried or kiln-dried under controlled temperatures to reduce moisture, a crucial step to keep them strong and resistant to decay. Next, automated cutters slice the bamboo into sections of uniform length. Circular blades divide them into thin strips or hollow tubes, depending on their final purpose. For products like cutlery or toothbrush handles, the strips are refined using width slicers and filament-forming machines to achieve precise dimensions. At this stage, modern factories employ advanced treatment systems, from heat curing to pressure soaking, to strengthen bamboo fibers, improve moisture resistance, and extend their lifespan. By now, the once green stalks have transformed into clean golden strips, smooth to the touch, and ready for production. In modern factories, Bamboo toothbrush production represents the perfect blend of precision engineering and environmental awareness. Each bamboo strip is carefully transported to CNC computer numerical control machines, which carve the wood into the familiar ergonomic shape of a toothbrush handle. Every movement of the blade is programmed precise, smooth, and consistent, ensuring each handle has the same gentle curve that fits comfortably in your hand. To create the holes for bristles, automatic multi-drill systems puncture the handle's surface at exact positions. These machines can drill hundreds of handles at once, reducing time while maintaining accuracy. The handles then move through polishing machines where rotating brushes smooth every edge, giving the bamboo a silky, natural texture. Next comes the bristle insertion stage. Tiny tufts of nylon castor oil-based fiber or other biodegradable materials are anchored into the holes using micro-fastening equipment. Each toothbrush head is inspected by both workers and sensors to make sure no bristles are loose or misaligned. Finally, the surface is polished one last time and sometimes engraved with a laser logo, leaving a clean, minimalist finish. The result: a lightweight, eco-friendly bamboo toothbrush, smooth, strong, and fully compostable. A simple yet powerful replacement for billions of plastic brushes used every year. While some bamboo grows tall and thick for furniture or flooring, younger, slimmer stalks take a different path, becoming reusable bamboo straws and cutlery. Crafting bamboo straws begins with selecting young bamboo 2 to 3 years old. Strong yet slim, naturally hollow inside. Workers cut them into even pieces, usually around 20 centimeters long. Machines then clean out the inner nodes, forming a smooth, hollow tube. Next, the sections are polished inside and out using rotating brushes and fine sanders. This process removes any rough spots and gives each straw a smooth, glossy finish. The ends are slightly rounded for comfort, then sterilized with steam or ultraviolet light to ensure hygiene. After drying at controlled temperatures, every straw is carefully checked for cracks or discoloration. Some pieces are laser engraved with eco-brand logos before being packed in recyclable boxes. Each one is simple, natural, and endlessly reusable proof that sustainability can also be beautiful. Larger bamboo culms are sliced into rectangular blocks and fed into automated shaping machines. These machines carve the familiar forms of spoons, forks, or knives with high-speed precision. Every curve and edge is refined through automated sanding, removing splinters and giving the utensil a gentle, organic texture. A thin layer of natural polish or food-safe wax enhances the bamboo's golden color while also sealing the surface against moisture. Finally, sterilization ensures the utensils are clean and safe for everyday use, ready to bring a natural touch to dining tables around the world. Together, these small items, straws, spoons, forks, may seem ordinary, but they represent a global shift away from disposable plastic toward renewable materials. After production, every bamboo product, toothbrushes, straws, or spoons, enters the final quality stage. Automatic systems sort them by size and shape, while workers carefully inspect each piece to ensure a smooth surface and consistent color. Next comes sterilization using methods like UV light steam or high-temperature drying to remove bacteria and extend shelf life. Each item is then polished one last time to reveal its warm golden bamboo tone before being packaged in eco-friendly materials such as recycled paper or biodegradable wraps. Automatic packaging lines group and seal products into cartons for shipment worldwide, from Asian eco-stores to American supermarkets. Each box carrying the same message: sustainable, natural, reusable. From dense bamboo forests to precise factory floors, a simple plant has become a symbol of green innovation. Bamboo grows fast, renews itself naturally, and absorbs carbon, a perfect material for replacing plastics in daily life. Each toothbrush straw or spoon tells a shared story, human ingenuity working hand in hand with nature. So the next time you brush your teeth or stir your drink with a bamboo utensil, remember? It's more than just a tool. It's a small promise of a cleaner, more sustainable future.